Have you ever met someone who seems to be an open book? Someone who shares their thoughts and emotions without hesitation? You might be dealing with an overt person. But what exactly does that mean, and how can you identify the signs? Stick around because in the next 5 minutes, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of overt personalities. People communicate in different ways, and personality traits vary from person to person. While some individuals keep their emotions and thoughts to themselves, others express them openly and without restraint. These openly expressive individuals are often referred to as overt people. Understanding their characteristics can help in social interactions, personal relationships, and even professional settings. So, what are the telltale signs of an overt person? Let's explore. They express their feelings freely. Overt people rarely hold back their emotions. Whether they're happy, frustrated, or excited, you'll know exactly how they feel because they wear their hearts on their sleeves. Their transparency makes them easy to read, but it can sometimes be overwhelming. For those who prefer subtlety in communication, they are talkative and outspoken. If you know someone who always has something to say, especially in social gatherings, chances are they have an overt personality. They're comfortable expressing opinions, engaging in conversations, and speaking their minds without fear of judgment. They have strong body language. It's not just their words. Overt people use body language to reinforce their messages. Big hand gestures, expressive facial expressions, and animated movements make their communication lively and engaging. You can often tell their mood just by observing their actions. They are honest, sometimes to a fault. Transparency is a key trait of overt individuals. They value honesty and may not filter their words, even in sensitive situations. While their directness is refreshing to some, it can be perceived as blunt or harsh by others. They seek social interaction. Overt people thrive in social settings. They enjoy conversations, networking, and making new connections. Being around others energizes them, and they're likely the ones initiating discussions and keeping the conversation going. They are open about their personal lives. Sharing personal experiences and stories comes naturally to overt individuals. They don't shy away from discussing their feelings, past experiences, or even personal struggles, sometimes even with people they've just met. They are quick to react. Whether it's excitement, anger, or surprise, overt people often react instantly and visibly. Their emotional responses are immediate and unfiltered, making their feelings easy to identify. Do you recognize these traits in yourself or someone you know? Let us know in the comments. Are you more overt or reserved? Understanding personality differences can help build better relationships and improve communication. So, the next time you meet someone who expresses themselves freely, remember, it's just part of their overt personality. Embracing different communication styles helps us connect with people more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.